Furoshiki, Furoshiki.
I bought this fabric from Japan. It's a leftover piece sold at a special price. It was about $9 and the size is 104 by 104 cm. To start with, you grab two adjacent corners with the wrong side up. Tie a single knot and then the other two adjacent corners, also tie a single knot, like so. Now, we just tied a single knot with these two. Now, I switch to this corner or this flap and tie a square knot. Near the tip, and also these two tie a square knot and there you have it. Isn't it very simple? And you want to open it, you just put it down and open it like this and tighten it like this. Let me show you one more time with a smaller piece. Grab two adjacent corners, tie a single knot, and the other two also a single knot, and then get these two corners tie a square knot and also a square knot on this side. And there you have it. I hope you liked my sharing today. Thanks for watching. Bye.